Welcome to our channel. If you want to automate bill payments, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up autopay and eliminate late fees. Step 1. Log into your carrier account online or through their mobile app. Navigate to billing settings or payment options where autopay features are located. Step 2. Select autopay enrollment and choose your payment method. Options typically include credit cards, debit cards, or direct bank account debits. Step 3. Enter your payment information carefully, including card or account numbers. Verify all details are correct to prevent payment failures due to incorrect information. Step 4. Choose your autopay date preference if your carrier offers flexibility. Some carriers let you select payment dates that align with your paychecks or other bills. Step 5. Set up email or text alerts for upcoming autopay transactions. Notifications remind you payments are coming, so you can ensure sufficient funds are available. Step 6. Verify any discounts associated with autopay and paperless billing. Many carriers offer $5 to $10 monthly discounts when you enable both automatic payments and electronic statements. Step 7. Review your autopay settings after enrollment to confirm everything is correct. Check that the payment method, amount, and date match your expectations. Step 8. Monitor your bank account or credit card after the first few autopay cycles. Ensure payments process correctly and amounts match your expected bills before trusting the system completely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.